The Clean Descale light will automatically illuminate solid on to indicate when a cleaning cycle is required. To begin, you will need to have the descaler that came with your machine handy. First, empty the drip tray and water tank, then remove the water filter. Dissolve 1 packet of the descaler with 34 ounces of warm water and pour the solution into the water tank, then reinsert. With the machine off, press and hold the 2-cup button, and then press and hold the power button simultaneously to enter the descale mode. The unit will heat up as part of commencing the descaling action, and the power button should flash continuously during the heating process. Place a 68-ounce container under the group head and steam wand. The machine will indicate it is ready for descaling when the power button, 1-cup button, clean descale indicator, and the hot water steam indicator are all illuminated. Press the 1-cup button to start descaling of the coffee component of the machine. Descaling the coffee component takes approximately 25 seconds. The 1-cup button should flash continuously and remain constant once this process has finished. To terminate the descaling within 25 seconds, press the 1-cup button again. To continue descaling the steam and hot water components, the steam and hot water dial will need to be turned manually. This process takes approximately 13 and 8 seconds respectively. Descale the steam component by turning the steam dial left towards the steam icon. Descaling can be terminated prematurely by turning the steam dial to standby. Once the steam stops purging at around 13 seconds, turn the steam dial to the right, to the water icon to descale the water component. Once the steam wand stops delivering water at around 8 seconds, turn the steam dial back to the vertical position. By now, there should be about half of the descaling solution left in the water tank. To continue the descale process, repeat the previous steps to empty the solution in the tank. Once the descaling solution is emptied, prepare the machine to rinse any residue. Remove the water tank and rinse it thoroughly, then refill with fresh, cold water to the max line. Repeat the steps again to further cleanse the machine of any residue from the descaling solution. To finish, press power to quit the descaling process. This will be indicated by the LED lights switching off.